I love making money. It's one of my favorite things to do. Well, second favorite thing to do. And what I've learned along my little merry journey to money making utopia is that really there's only 3 ways for you to make more money online. In this video, I'm going to show you what they are and also talk about how they relate to an e-commerce business specifically so that you can work out the best way for you to make more money. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm showing you cool ways to make money online, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, really helps out, and that way you won't miss anything at all. We post new videos every single day all about helping you make more money. Also, if you've got a question about this video, be sure to comment below and I'll answer that for you, or I'll shoot a video all about your question so I can answer it thoroughly for you. All right, with that being said, let's get into the money making. Neil, they said that. Which is best to grow your business? More products? You tell me actually. Answers in the chat. What do you reckon? Which is best to grow your business? Is it A, more products, or B, expanding out to other countries? Which do you think is the better option? Answers in the chat. So, let's have a look. Expanding out to other countries. So all the megalomaniacs, myself included in that misnomer, are like, let's expand out. We must take over the universe. So we're all the megalomaniacs are saying that. And then all the other folks are saying we should get more products to sell people. So here's my take on it. All right, here's my take. There are, in actuality, only 3 ways to grow a business. That's it. There's only 3 ways to grow a business. This information comes from a very smart guy called Jay Abraham. If you don't know Jay, you should study him. He's super, super smart, really the godfather of a lot of things that we take for granted now in the marketing world. Anyway, so 3 ways to grow your business. Way number 1 is to find more customers. Okay, so you can just find more customers, and that is a very, very successful way of growing a business by putting more customers into the business. Okay, so that would be expanding into new marketplaces. Okay, it would be expanding into new marketplace would be number 1, find more customers. Okay, so that's where that comes in. Way number 2 is to your existing customers, sell them more stuff. So sell them more stuff is way number 2 of growing your business. So that would be putting more product lines into your existing marketplace. So if you're selling in Australia, you've got a brand that's going on, then you'd add more products into that product suite to sell your existing customers more things. Pretty cool. Way number 3 is to decrease the time between sales of your customers. So what you're looking to do here is to make repeat sales, of course, because you want to do that, but reduce the time between those repeat sales. Okay. How do you do that? Well, that's by understanding your customer journey and what they are interested in at any given time, and making sure that you are in the right place at the right time with the right product for what they will need. Okay, an easy example of that is the baby niche. So babies, as they go through their particular journey, they have different needs, as does the mum and the dad. Okay, everybody's got different needs. As the baby grows, different needs, different things they want. Okay, understanding that cycle means you can put the right product in front of the parent at the right time to sell it to them. Okay, that's what that means. So with all that being said, what's best? For me, and for me personally, all things being equal, if I have got a product that is selling very, very well in one market, let's say it's selling really, really well in Australia, then always I will look to take that into a new market first. Here's why. I've already got all of the images done. I've already got all of the text done. I've already found the supplier. I've already got the supply chain put in place. I've got heaps and heaps and heaps of the necessary components to simply replicate, like a cookie cutter, that product into a new territory. Heaps of them. And when I do that, I'll actually end up making more money on my initial business because I get economies of scale. I can order more stock, and I ought to be able to renegotiate the price I'm paying for my stock based on volume. So, all things being equal, that's what I will do. That's what I will do. That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members and counting. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia, and our members have got sales of over $50 million online. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, you can get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.